Welcome to this presentation, outlining the performance support capabilities of SAP Workforce Performance Builder Navigator. I will demonstrate the different modes from the perspective of an end user, by going through different applications and scenarios. For now, I will start with Word. If I already got lost here, or want to know if suitable information is available, I can open the panel to the right. By the way, you can move the panel freely to dock it to another area of the screen, as it is permanently accessible on top of any application. The bulb indicates if relevant information is available for my current context. When I'm changing the context, for example by opening PowerPoint, you can see the indication is changing according to the fact if help is available or not. When clicking on the bulb, the desktop assistant opens. It displays any help and information relevant to the given screen. The Word Home tab in this case. This is also working application spanning. So when changing from Word to SAP GUI, the content will be updated automatically. And the same when changing to S/4HANA. The desktop assistant is working for different and not even only for SAP applications. So let's go back to Word to start some content. Content is not limited to learning materials, but even third-party content can be embedded. Here a web page is shown, which can be accessed directly from within Word. Alternatively, you can also embed textual information. For example, generic hints as shown here for the font and font size. Or classic e-learning, including simulations and documentation. Here a learning mode is started, which is running in parallel to my live application and guiding me step by step through the process. This is important as it allows customers to make use of already existing simulations to be delivered in a context-sensitive approach by the desktop assistant. Now I would like to show you the process guidance offered by Navigator. The process assistant can be started from within the desktop assistant. After the process assistant has been started, it will display a bubble and a highlight on top of your application, indicating where you have to perform the next step required. The process assistant gives direction and is guiding you step by step through a certain process. Optionally, you can access the step list showing all steps required for the current process. The process assistant is also working for different applications. So let's go to SAP ERP again to start another one. As you can see, the design looks different than we have seen in Word, as it can be freely adapted by the customers. Here you can see that also branches are supported to let the user decide in which direction to go. Alternatively, you can also offer optional steps by using different highlights and bubbles. The Context Assistant is the third Navigator mode and shows information that is pushed to the user. That means the user does not have to click anything, but the information is provided automatically on the interface. Thus, the Context Assistant is mainly used for business-critical and new functions or for application maintenance reasons. Here in Word, some additional icons are shown providing further information, which can also be displayed by simply hovering over a certain function. So the information appears in the moment the user is going to use a certain functionality. Again, also the Context Assistant is working for different applications. Some icons are shown directly within SAP ERP by the Navigator. By hovering over the icons, the user gets additional information. Here you can store text, pictures and links to further information. The icons can be freely adapted by the customers. Let's go to S/4HANA now. Here a bubble is displayed in the launchpad when S/4HANA is started and provides proactive information on the application. When going to the app My Contacts, highlights indicate help is available for some elements. Finally, I would like to show you another highlight. The Navigator also allows users to create their own personal information on the fly and pin it to a specific application, just like a context-sensitive sticky note. By doing so, they can leave information like the cost center number or links they have to access all the time to have them directly available when needed.